Hey guys, this is Nana Jindal. In last part, we have discussed about the domain and the range of the inverse trigonometric functions. That means we have discussed about the values that our inverse trigonometric function can take and whatever values they can attain. इस वीडियो में आज हम बात करेंगे कि प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू हम कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं किसी भी इन्वर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन की. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर हैविंग फर्स्ट पार्ट विच इज़ see my question is find the principal value of the following. First is sine inverse minus 1 by 2. So let's start how we can find the principal value. I am having first part as sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Always suppose this particular thing that you are having, any inverse trigonometric function that we are having as y, take it as y. Let sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to y. When we will shift this sine inverse on right hand side, we will be having sine y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Sine y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So वो कौन सा एंगल है जिस पर साइन की टेबल में हमें क्या मिलती है वैल्यू 1 by 2 मिलती है. हमें 1 by 2 वैल्यू मिलती है 30 डिग्री पर. कहाँ मिलती है 30 डिग्री पर. सो वी कैन टेक इट एज माइनस एंड 30 डिग्री एंगल, बट वी कैन राइट इट एज 30 डिग्री एंगल. We can write the 30 degree as sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 is equal to sine y. Now you can see I can shift this minus into inside. That means I can shift this minus sign with my angle because we know the property that sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. सो मैं इस माइनस को यहाँ शिफ्ट करूँगी एंड इट विल बिकम साइन माइनस पाई बाई 6 इज इक्वल टू साइन वाई. साइन माइनस पाई बाई 6 इज इक्वल टू साइन वाई. प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू के लिए सबसे पहले ये चीज़ बनाने के बाद हमें ये चेक करना है कि क्या ये जो एंगल है ये हमारी रेंज में लाई करता है या नहीं. द रेंज ऑफ साइन इनवर्स एक्स इज माइनस पाई बाई 2 टू प्लस पाई बाई 2. दैट मीन्स ये हमारा कहाँ से कहाँ तक जाएगा माइनस 90 से प्लस 90 तक जाएगा. और ये हमारा कितना है माइनस 30 विच लाइज बिटवीन माइनस 90 टू प्लस 90. सो दैट मीन्स इट लाइज इन माई रेंज. So I can directly compare them. You can't compare them until the angle lies in the range. But as my angle is lying in the range, so I can compare it, and after comparing sine minus pi by 6 with sine y, I am getting y as minus pi by 6. I am getting y as minus pi by 6. And what was my y? My y was equal to sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Sine inverse minus pi by 2 which has came out to be minus pi by 6. So यहाँ से हमें प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू क्या मिल गई साइन इनवर्स माइनस 1 by 2 की माइनस पाई बाय 6. नाउ आई एम मूविंग ऑन टू माई सेकेंड पार्ट विच इज़ कॉस इनवर्स अंडर रूट 3 by 2. ओके, अगेन आई विल टेक इट एज वाई and I will transpose cos inverse from left hand side into right hand side. What I will be getting root 3 by 2 is equal to cos y. So we can see where we get this value root 3 by 2 in the table of cos. We get at 30 degree. So we will write it down as cos pi by 6 is equal to cos y. Now it is same, but to compare the left hand side with the right hand side, first of all we must see the angle that we are having in left hand side must lie in the range of cos. We know that the range of cos inverse x is 0 to pi. That means from 0 to 180 degree, and this is 30 degrees. So it is lying in the range of 0 to 180. So yes, we can compare the left hand side with right hand side, and I will be getting y is equal to pi by 6. So यहाँ से प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू जो है cos इनवर्स रूट 3 by 2 की वो हमारे पास क्या आ जाती है pi by 6. Now moving on to the third part which is tangent inverse minus 1, which is tangent inverse minus 1. So suppose it as y. Shift this tangent inverse into right hand side. What we will get? Tangent y is equal to -1. We will get tangent y is equal to -1. ओके, इसके बाद हमें क्या करना है, टेंजेंट y इज इक्वल टू 1 है. टेंजेंट की टेबल में 1 वैल्यू कहाँ पर आती है, 45 डिग्री पर आती है. सो वी कैन राइट इट डाउन एज माइनस टेंजेंट 45 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू टेंजेंट y. And we have the property in tangent also that tangent minus theta is equal to minus tangent theta. So I can shift this minus sign inside, or you can take it directly as well. It does not make any difference. So I will write it down as tangent minus, and 45 degree can be written as pi by 4 is equal to tangent y is equal to tangent y. Now again the same thing. Before comparing left hand side with right hand side, check the angle whether it lies in the range of tangent or not. So we know that the range of tangent inverse x is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That means from minus 90 degree to plus 90 degree. In between minus 90 to plus 90, not exactly minus 90 or plus 90. Okay, so this minus 45 degree lies between this. So I can compare my left hand side with right hand side, and I will be getting minus pi by 4 is equal to y. That means my principal value of tangent inverse minus 1 is minus pi by 4, is minus pi by 4.